This video is an ultimate guide to the 10 best things to do in Christchurch, New Zealand. 1. Punt along the Avon River. Start your Christchurch adventure with one of the city's most iconic experiences, a peaceful punt along the Otakaro Avon River. Climb aboard a handcrafted flat-bottomed boat and relax as your guide gently steers you through the heart of the city. The boatmen traditionally wear Edwardian-style clothing, adding an old-fashioned charm to the experience. As you glide along the river, you'll pass underneath graceful trees, through the Christchurch Botanic Gardens, and alongside beautiful gardens and wildlife. Keep an eye out for ducks, swans, and other birds along the riverbanks. The journey is wonderfully relaxing and gives you a completely different perspective of Christchurch. Early morning and late afternoon are particularly beautiful when the light is soft and the river feels especially peaceful. 2. Explore the Christchurch Botanic Gardens. Next, slow down and explore the beautiful Christchurch Botanic Gardens, one of the city's greatest natural treasures. Established in 1863, these extensive gardens cover around 21 hectares and are free to enter. You can wander through a collection of beautifully landscaped gardens featuring roses, native New Zealand plants, exotic trees, colorful flowers, and peaceful walking paths. The Central Rose Garden is particularly impressive, with hundreds of varieties creating a spectacular display when they are in bloom. The Otakaro Avon River flows through the gardens, adding to the peaceful atmosphere. Spring is a wonderful time to visit when blossoms bring extra color to the landscape. 3. Visit the Cardboard Cathedral. Visit one of Christchurch's most unusual and meaningful buildings, the Cardboard Cathedral. Created following the devastating 2011 earthquake, this remarkable structure became a symbol of Christchurch's recovery and resilience. Designed by renowned Japanese architect Shigeru Ban, the cathedral incorporates cardboard tubes, timber, steel, and shipping containers into its innovative design. Inside, colorful light filters through the windows and creates a warm, peaceful atmosphere. The building can accommodate hundreds of people and continues to serve as an important place of worship and community gathering. What makes the cathedral especially powerful is the story behind it. Rather than simply replacing what was lost, the building represents creativity, hope, and a determination to rebuild. 4. Ride the Christchurch Gondola. Head toward the Port Hills and take a ride on the Christchurch Gondola for some of the best panoramic views in the region. The gondola climbs toward the summit of Mount Cavendish, giving you spectacular views over Christchurch, Lyttelton Harbour, the Canterbury Plains, and the distant Southern Alps. The ride itself is smooth and relaxing, with huge windows providing unobstructed views as you rise above the landscape. Once you reach the summit, you can explore walking trails, viewpoints, and the Time Tunnel, an interactive attraction that tells the story of the region's geological and human history. On a clear day, the views are extraordinary, especially when the Southern Alps are visible in the distance. 5. Taste local food at Riverside Market. Make your way to Riverside Market in the city center for a delicious introduction to Christchurch's food scene. This lively indoor market brings together local producers, restaurants, food stalls, specialty shops, and artisan businesses under one roof. You can wander through the market sampling everything from fresh seafood and international dishes to desserts, baked goods, coffee, and local produce. There are plenty of options, making it an excellent choice when everyone in your group wants something different. You can enjoy your meal inside or find a spot near the Avon River and watch the city go by. The market is also a great place to pick up locally made products and seasonal ingredients. 6. Explore the Arts Centre Te Matatiki Toi Ora. Immerse yourself in Christchurch's history and culture at the Arts Centre Te Matatiki Toi Ora. This impressive collection of Gothic Revival buildings is one of the city's most recognizable architectural landmarks. The complex was originally associated with the University of Canterbury and contains beautifully restored historic spaces. As you explore, you'll find galleries, museums, shops, exhibitions, and cultural venues. The Great Hall is particularly impressive, while the Tees Museum offers fascinating collections connected to ancient civilizations. You can also visit Rutherford's Den, where the renowned physicist Ernest Rutherford studied before becoming one of the most influential scientists of his generation. The entire complex suffered significant damage during the earthquakes, but has been carefully restored. 7. Ride the Christchurch Tram. Hop aboard the Christchurch Tram for a relaxed sightseeing tour through the city center. These vintage-style trams offer a fun way to see many of Christchurch's major attractions without having to walk everywhere. The route includes numerous stops around the central city, allowing you to hop off, explore an attraction, and continue your journey later with a suitable ticket. The drivers often provide entertaining commentary and stories about Christchurch's history, architecture, and recovery following the earthquakes. The tram passes important places including Cathedral Square, the Botanic Gardens, the Arts Center, and Riverside Market. It is particularly useful during your first day because it helps you understand the layout of the city while providing plenty of sightseeing opportunities. 8. Discover the International Antarctic Center. Experience Antarctica without leaving Christchurch at the International Antarctic Center. Christchurch has long served as an important gateway for Antarctic exploration, and this attraction gives visitors an entertaining introduction to life on the frozen continent. You can experience an Antarctic storm simulation, complete with freezing temperatures and powerful winds, and learn what it is like to work in one of the harshest environments on Earth. One of the highlights is seeing the little blue penguins, the world's smallest penguin species. You can watch them swim, move around their habitat, and take part in feeding sessions. 9. Get adventurous at Christchurch Adventure Park. Add some excitement to your Christchurch trip at Christchurch Adventure Park. Located in the Port Hills, this outdoor attraction offers incredible scenery combined with adrenaline-filled activities. You can take the chairlift toward the top of the hills and enjoy spectacular views across the city and surrounding landscape. Adventure seekers can then experience a series of zip-line rides, including a particularly long course that sends you flying above the landscape. If you prefer something less intense, there are numerous walking and mountain biking trails to explore. The chairlift itself provides an enjoyable sightseeing experience, even if you decide not to try the zip lines. 10. Walk along New Regent Street. Finally, take a leisurely walk along New Regent Street, one of Christchurch's most beautiful and photogenic streets. This colorful, pedestrian-friendly area is famous for its Spanish mission-style architecture and rows of pastel-colored buildings. The colorful facades create a cheerful atmosphere that makes the street particularly popular with photographers. You can browse boutique stores, stop at a cafe, enjoy a meal, or simply admire the architecture. Vintage trams also pass along the street, adding another layer of charm to the scene. New Regent Street has survived the city's earthquakes and remains an important part of Christchurch's architectural identity.